to Vanlife VanGaming, and today, if you cannot tell, we are at Wimbledon on Common. This used to be a popular place for this famous cartoon in the olden days, when my dad was a kid and when my nan and granddad were young. But this is an amazing place, and this is going to be a bit different from our normal videos. But here's a quick look. So our video is going to be a bit different today, as we're looking for this character. So as you know, my favourite character is, or favourite superhero is Spiderman, and my favourite actor who plays it is Tom Holland. If you guys didn't know, he actually lives in this area somewhere, so we are going to try and look and see if we can find him or his house. And apparently he donated things to a charity shop nearby, so let's try and see if we can find the place. Let's get to it. Right guys, so if you have not seen in the news, before Tom Holland went to Mumbai, he actually donated 2 big bags of clothes to this one charity shop. And we've actually located that charity shop, and we are going to see if we can get some Tom Holland memorabilia. Let's see if we can find some, and it can go on my wall with my Spiderman pictures. Let's get to it, but if there's any left. Locals around here, they've actually seen him walking around, but before his trip he actually donated all of that. But we have no chance of seeing him because he's on a trip to Mumbai. But apparently lots of locals normally see him around here, just walking or going into pubs. So let's see if we can get some memorabilia. Let's get to it. Right guys, so Tom Holland actually grew up walking here, or grew up as a child here with his parents, and if you're lucky enough you can actually see him walking around with his 3 brothers, if you're lucky enough, going to pubs and clubs, and apparently, I don't know if it's true, but apparently he lives 1 mile from his parents' house, which is quite cool. And we have found the charity shop that he used to have, or he gave things to, so we're gonna let's check that out. Right guys, so the place that Tom Holland donated his clothes is right there, as you can see from behind us. And we tracked it down because there's a McDonald's there, and we will put the pictures right there, which we track them down on. Let's go in and see if we can find any Tom Holland stuff. We actually got something that was Tom Holland's. Okay, so these only cost £500. We got them for £100. These were some Tods that Tom Holland wore, so we actually got something, and they're about near my size as well, so I'll be able to wear them. Right guys, so we just got back from getting these shoes, which are Tom Holland's. So let me tell you the story of what happened. So basically, this lady or the cashier who was behind the till or counter, they looked around because there were things there, but they weren't his. And she was like, oh, they're all sold out, but we might have something over here. And brought us to the case where we found these. I think it was a really good deal because we paid £100 for these, and these go for like £500. But now I have some memorabilia to add onto my Spiderman / Tom Holland wall. And another thing is that maybe since he wasn't here, since he was in Mumbai, as I told you guys, we couldn't really get him or see him. So when we go there next, I don't know when, but when we go there next, and if we find him, we bring these little shoes here, get him to autograph it about there, and then it'll be perfect. Maybe I could get a Tom Holland signature there, and then I could get a Spiderman signature there on either side. That would be very cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Make sure you like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. And remember, we've got super thanks down below, so please help us out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.